You get a little mic test, but like, what the fuck? So, as you guys know, I've got the Skullcandy terrain here, as well as um, the the Skullcandy barrel sitting over there. But like, basically, I like getting stuff from Skullcandy, and basically everything that I've gotten from Skullcandy has been on pretty good discounts. Like this, I got for about 40-ish bucks, I think. The barrel back there I got for $79. And I've got the Crusher Evos here that I got for about 110 bucks, which yeah, it's a bit more expensive than what I paid for the other stuff, but otherwise it's pretty good. I'm pretty proud with this speaker, and I have done a few improvements to this myself, upgrading the drivers and whatnot. And longtime viewers will know this, but back in around December-ish, I took the passive radiators because they're orange like this. They're super thin. The rubber on them is super thin. So what I did is I took a little LED light strip and I shoved it in here and wired it up to one of the speaker terminals. And the lights would shine against the passive radiators, which made them glow. Well, if you've known about that, which now you do, I guess, you would probably know that Skullcandy definitely must have seen this or something, because they turn around and this happened. Literally. This isn't a joke. They literally made a second-gen terrain with some improvements, one of which is, most obviously, that. They have lights now. They have lights now. This still isn't really an official thing yet, since Skullcandy still hasn't put this up on their website as an official product, but I have it right here in my hands anyways. Well, not literally in my hands. Now it's in my hands, but yeah. So what we're going to do in this very short video is pretty much just take it out of the box and do like a sound test or something. And that's it, because I was expecting this to arrive Sunday because it lines up with my schedule. It arrived 5 minutes ago. Yeah, five minutes ago. Amazon, your shipping is awesome, but it's just, I don't know what to say. Amazon just shipped that very, very, very quickly compared to other stuff I've gotten, because I ordered this 2 days ago. So yeah, let's get right into it. I can't find my pocket knife to cut this open, so we're just going to do the old conventional method, and that's just rip the stickers off. That goes there on my extremely dusty, what is this, Dell unnamed keyboard that went to some Optiplex from 2001, I think. I don't know, something like that. It ran either Windows XP or Windows 7. That just shows you how old it is. The other one they just sit on the keyboard, the extremely dusty keyboard. That is mine. I have a second one somewhere. Alright, I forgot the boxes are like this for Skullcandy. We'll just do that. You slide them out like that. This can go in wherever. But yeah. Here it is. The Terrain 2 in all its glory. This actually feels a bit heavier than the Terrain 1. The cover's just like that right there. Interesting. Let me get a zoom in on that. The fabric's like pushed down or something there. is probably from the packaging. These are nice. They're rubber. These are definitely a lot more stiff than the Terrain one, softness wise. Because the Terrain one, if I grab it here, the passive radiators are very soft. This is a bit stiffer. These actually, no, they got about the same amount of excursion on them. Now, difference-wise between the Terrain 1 and the Terrain 2, they both came with the same strap. I just used a different one for mine. You can see there's only 2 buttons on the back here and 3 buttons on top, whereas this has a lot more buttons. They're the same size. I wonder if the parts are interchangeable on the two. That'd be cool. I'm gonna get this box out of the way so I have more room on my my desk. We'll put this back here. I want to see these lights turn on. Now I'm gonna try some. So I got both of these here right now.
True wireless pairing.
On the Terrain 1, it's different. You do power button 3 times. True wireless pairing. I'm waiting to see if they'll see each other.
True wireless connected.
There's a little bit of delay. Alright. Let's see how they play. That sounds really good. Having both of them together like this sounds really good. I'm gonna get these lights in focus. They're just so bright. That's probably going to wrap up this video since I'm literally out of time for pretty much anything else. In summary, if this wasn't defective, it'd be amazing because Skullcandy actually mastered these lights. Light, I should say. This side's not working, I guess. I don't know if I want to return it. I might, but I might also have the opportunity to take it apart and see. And there's already fingerprints on